Hello and welcome back to Math with Mr. Strands. I'm going to be going over adding and subtracting mixed numbers in this video. Okay, so we're going to start with this top one on the left, 5.5 plus 4 3/4. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find a common denominator between 2 and 4, the lowest common denominator preferably. Okay, so the lowest common denominator is going to be 4, right? So lowest is going to be 4. So I'm going to change both of my denominators to 4. Okay. In order to get this denominator of 4, I had to multiply by 2, which means I have to multiply the top by 2. So 1 times 2 is going to be 2. This one's already 4, so I don't have to do anything to the numerator there. If I add these together, 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. I'm going to put back my whole numbers, which was 5 plus 4, which is 9. 9 5/4, but I need to simplify this because 5/4 is more than 1. Okay, so I have 9 5/4. So 5/4 is going to give me an additional 1 added on to my 9. So it's going to be 10, and there's 1 left over, 10 1/4. Okay, 10 1/4. All right, so let's go to the bottom one, 11 11/12 minus 7 1/6. Again, I need to find a common denominator first. My lowest common denominator between 12 and 6 is going to be 12. Okay, I didn't have to do anything to this first one, so I'm going to leave that the same. The second one, I had to multiply that by 2, so I have to multiply the top by 2. Okay, so 11 minus 2 is going to be 9. 9/12. I take my whole numbers and I put them back on. 11 minus 7, which is 4. Okay, so 4 9/12. If you wanted to simplify that even lower, you could do 4 and 9 12 both go into each other, right? 3 goes into each one, so 3/4. Okay, and then the last one here, I'm going to erase this one so we could do the last one. Actually, going to move this over a little bit. Okay, as soon as that loads in there, we can do that. Okay, so we got 10 minus 1/3. All right, remember, any whole number is always already going to be over 1. Okay, so really it's 10 over 1 minus 1/3. My lowest common denominator is going to be 3. Right, this stays the same. I didn't have to change that at all. This times 3, so this has to be times 3. So 10 times 3 is 30. So now I can just subtract. 30 minus 1 is going to be 29 over 3. If I need to simplify that, 3 goes into 29, we know 9 times, which is 27, and then there's 2 left over. So 9 2/3. Right, so there's a little tutoring there on adding and subtracting mixed numbers.